Where do you think I'm kind of one of my hype areas that I'm looking at, and really one of my core, my holding company is looking at is micro acquisitions.
Right.
Any thoughts where that whole in your diversification future, if that is a thing that you think is going to continue to expand, or is it just a fad that might disappear just as quick as it showed up?
Huge, huge. Roll-up strategies, acquisitions, consolidations actually are a lot hotter than VC right now. A lot of founders don't know, but when you're tapped into the financial world, the billions of dollars that are available for this, especially when it comes to underperforming or struggling assets, distressed assets, things that
Yeah.
people can buy at a good deal, because founders, they have a very inflated view of what their startup is worth until they
No.
kind of, but I was talking to a fund manager and general partner, and he said, we have about $30 million assets under management. He said, we're waiting until the end of the year because that's when we think the deals are going to get better. And it's literally going to be, let's go acquire, let's go acquire. So they wait for those opportunities when things are at a depressed state,
Yeah. Yeah.
such as during COVID and everything. They bought, like, that's the Warren Buffett thing, like, buy when there's blood in the streets, especially if it's your own blood, right?
Yeah. Right.
So the micro acquisitions, especially if you can consolidate and put it all together, sort of
Yeah.
this Constellation, if you heard of, the Constellation company, the
Yeah.
fund, that's going to be big if you can do it properly. What you want to avoid is stuff that's going to die on the vine quickly. So a lot of these micro acquisitions in terms of SaaS products are, unless you are a real unique special sauce to bring them all together and type of operating system, I
Yeah.
would avoid those and I would be focusing more on boring real world assets or software that solves boring problems that nobody wants
Yeah.
to try and get all sexy and start to solve in, unique, innovative ways. I believe that's going to be where the real money is made.